Well, I feel that my story illuminates the fact that this can happen to anybody. Anybody can go from earning a very good income. I was in Hollywood making all these TV shows and some films, earning a six-figure income and able to take care of health care. And then one back injury, doing Pilates exercise of all things. And after a couple years, the big money was gone. And I was living under the poverty line and often didn't have money for food and didn't know if I was going to be homeless. So healthcare didn't fit into that. I was living in Hollywood and had very good work. I was editing and associate producing television shows, X-Men and the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, had great insurance through Disney and then through the other companies. Was able to really take care of my health very well, even though I was working 2.5 jobs, so I needed the health care. And then at one point my health did go down, probably from overdoing the work, and I had a back injury. And from the back injury and trying to keep all the jobs going, I got Epstein-Barr, and then I had this whole list of like 10 illnesses. Ear infection went on for almost a year, and just a lot of pain. And I finally had to quit my job, and I went on disability for a while, and moved here to Cardiff from Hollywood to have a more peaceful place to recuperate. And I had Cobra for a little while. And I had money for a little while saved up, and then that just all went. And this was 14 years ago, and my health never quite got better, and I was no longer able to get any health care. I couldn't get insurance at first because of the conditions I had been diagnosed with, this whole long list. So I couldn't get like Blue Shield or Blue Cross. And then after that, I didn't have finances to get the health insurance, and my health wasn't really good enough to be out there working regular jobs. So what I did as a spiritual service-oriented person, I created this website of hundreds of pages of free multimedia spiritual resources. I've written books, Spirituality for Dummies, and somehow all these things didn't bring in even any money, partially because I feel that spiritual things should be given as much as possible, but also the sales haven't been up. And so I've lived under the poverty line for these 14 years, and my knees since have gone bad, so now I can't walk very well. So it's hard to get exercise, and then you gain weight, and then your health goes down further. If I haven't been able to see a doctor when I needed it, if I got injured, I would try to take care of it myself. At one point I had a big shard of plastic go into my foot, and I tried to take care of it myself for over a month, and it was this big wound and it wasn't healing, and I finally found a low-income place that charged like $30 to go there, and they were shocked because it was 2 inches deep in my foot, and they had to pack it and do all this stuff. But even then I couldn't afford the ongoing treatments even there, so fortunately that did heal, and fortunately I'm still here and I'm okay. But I really look forward to healthcare being taken care of in this country, and I'm glad to be able to participate in this.